Gals, it's me, George, and I'm out in my shop, and the sun is setting here, and we are without power. Look at that beautiful view as much as I can get. We're without power, so it's dark in here in my shop, and it's so, I don't know, it's 5 minutes or 6, I guess. We've been without power since Saturday, and this is Thursday. And we ended up having to go out and buying a generator so that we could have power at the house, mainly to run the refrigerators and the freezer. We're thankful that we have a propane heater in the living room that came with the house, and so we're keeping warm off of that. We've had to get water from our church so we could flush toilets and wash dishes, wash our hands, take sponge baths. We're living the little house in the big woods experience, don't you know? It's gotten cool here in Tennessee. Now it's down, oh, what's it say? Let's look at the thermometer and see what this thermometer tells us. Yeah, look at that. I think that says something about 32 degrees. It's chilly out here. We're glad for a warm home and very thankful to be out here in the country on a beautiful fall day. Thanks for watching, commenting, and subscribing. You may not see this for a few days because I don't have any internet access at the moment and haven't for almost a week. Well, hi guys and gals, it's me, George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. And we just had a major storm come through our area, and we've been without power for a whole week. Just got it back on a few minutes ago. And gladly, last week, previously, my brother-in-law came down and we replaced this window in the front of our house. Get rid of the old aluminum one that was leaky. I still got some more finish work to do on it. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about finding the silver lining behind every cloud. Because we had such high winds, they were up to 70 miles an hour and more, a lot of branches and especially pieces came down. And I haven't done anything for model railroading since I moved here to Tennessee. But I gotta tell you, when I started seeing this stuff on the ground, I'm thinking, man, that would make great brush and shrubbery on a model railroad. I don't know exactly what you call it. I'm assuming that it's some kind of moss or lichen or whatever it is. I'm liking it. And so I've picked up a few pieces and I'm gonna let them dry out. And never too soon to start preparing for that model railroad, you know. Yep. Maybe some of you saw about our major storm last Saturday. There were tractor-trailer rigs out on I-40 crossing over the Tennessee River. And I think there was like 6 or 7 of them that got laid right over on their sides as they were crossing over on the bridge. Just like they were toys. And I know we had planned on going to an auction that night. We went down to where the auction place was, and the whole roof was gone off of the auction house. And there were power lines down all over the place and huge trees down, uprooted. I mean, we're talking about trees that are 4 or 5 feet in circumference, you know, as big or bigger than the trees that I have here in my yard, and they're pretty good sized trees I've got here. And they were pulled up and laid over by the roots, and a lot of them were laying right on the power lines. So they've been working, and it started, well, it must have started down in the state below us, which I think is Alabama in our area, and it went right on up through and probably up into Kentucky. And a lot of people have been without power for a long time. But we're glad that we have it back on now. And it's a beautiful day here in Holiday. Of course, you know, I'm always on holiday here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget the tip of the day, you know. You gotta make something out of what you get. If all you got is lemons, well, you make lemonade. If all you got is lichen, you make shrubs and bushes for your model railroad layout. How cool is that? Till next time, this is George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, saying thanks for watching, commenting, and for subscribing. Bye for now.